I'll guide you through how to create a Cash App account from scratch correctly, ensuring your initial profile setup is flawless and ready for action. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Cash App enforces strict regional and data validation rules right from the very first screen. To build a successful profile ledger, you must have a valid United States or United Kingdom phone number or email address, a matching residential billing zip code, and a standard debit card or bank account ready. Using accurate personal data is non-negotiable. If you input a fake name or attempt to register from an unsupported country, the automated anti-fraud security tracking filters will flag your profile as a high-risk layout, reject the setup, and lock your access immediately. To begin the account setup, download Cash App from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. On the initial welcome screen layout, type your mobile phone number or email address to serve as your primary login string. The system will instantly route a 6-digit confirmation text or email passcode to your credentials. Enter the code into the app layout form fields within the active window and tap Next. Add your active Visa, MasterCard, Discover, or American Express debit card data. This secure link serves as your transactional validation anchor. Next, enter your true, verified legal first and last name, then create your unique hashtag username handle. It must contain at least one letter, stay under 20 characters, and be unique to ensure your friends can spot your profile ledger accurately. Input your zip code, then immediately establish a 4-digit cash PIN. This security layer acts as a critical backup to your device's biometrics or Face ID, protecting your digital assets from unauthorized transfer actions. Decide whether to sync your phone contact list to find your friends instantly, or hit skip to reach the main green dashboard homepage. To learn how to activate and verify your profile for full asset freedom, click to watch this video right here. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.